How does a Markman hearing impact patent litigation? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where the pieces are words in a patent claim. How those words are understood can change everything in a legal fight. That's where a Markman hearing comes into play. It's a special court session that happens before the main trial. During this hearing, a judge looks closely at the words in the patent to decide what they really mean. This is called claim construction. The judge reviews the patent itself, including the detailed description of the invention and the history of how the patent was granted. Sometimes, the judge also looks at expert opinions or technical dictionaries to clarify tricky words. But the judge only uses evidence that is part of the patent record, not outside sources that might contradict it. The result of this hearing sets the rules for the rest of the case. If the judge interprets a word broadly, it can make the patent cover more products or actions. This can help the patent holder prove infringement more easily. But it might also make the patent more vulnerable to challenges that say it is not valid. If the judge's interpretation is narrow, the patent might be harder to prove infringes, but it could be stronger against legal attacks. Because the judge's decision on claim meaning guides the trial, it often influences whether the case settles or goes to a full trial. The jury then uses the judge's definitions to decide if infringement happened. They do not interpret the words themselves. In patent law, this step is very important because it clarifies what the patent actually protects. When patent holders and defendants prepare for a case, they focus heavily on how the judge might interpret the claims. Patent holders want broad interpretations that cover their products, while defendants want narrow ones to avoid infringement. The judge's ruling on claim construction can also impact settlement talks and the overall strategy of the case. So, in simple terms, a Markman hearing shapes how the case unfolds by defining the scope of the patent rights. It's a key moment that can make or break the outcome of patent litigation.